In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book Disney cruise activities and excursions. First, you must have your cruise reservation confirmed, and you must pick your itinerary and stateroom on the Disney Cruise Line site. So from here, you can use this search filter box to browse for reservations, then wait until your sailing is paid in full. Only then can you reserve excursions and extra activities. Your window to book activities opens depending on your sailing history, your Castaway Club level, and for first time cruisers, there are 75 days before sail date. For repeat cruisers, they get earlier access around 90 to 130 days depending on membership tier. Then next is of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Just click on the login link or button at the top. Basically enter your login credentials to log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, hover your mouse on already booked, then click on my reservations. Now, from the reservation page, you should see your list, of course, of your reservations. And from there, just select the days of your cruise and click on Add Activities. From there, you can book port adventures if it's a port of call day and onboard activities such as adult dining, spa, tastings, nursery, special experiences, depending on what's offered that sailing. Of course, fill in all the details being asked, like your group, check availability, and add to cart. Just make sure that you always plan ahead, know your booking window date, and jump in right away. Top slot activities go fast, but always have backup choices and you might still snag something on board. Enjoy your magical cruise. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!